For 5-axis simultaneous operation, the Select Rotary Solution button is new. In this dialog, the motions of the operation are all presented. Users can choose the appropriate solution by themselves. The change in the solution of 1 point will affect the setting of all the following solutions. In one operation, it should always be shortest reference to previous solution. If the solution is not default, only show edited for the one changed, not for following positions. Press OK button, then the solution selection has been saved.